Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Geojit Financial Services Q4 FY24 earnings conference call. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on a touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Satish Mevan from Geojit Financial Services. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you, operator. Good morning to all those people who have joined. Along with me, I have Mr. C.J. George, Managing Director, CEO, Mr. A. Balakrishnan and Jones, Executive Director, Minnie Nair, CFO of the company, and Liju Johnson, Company Secretary on the call. Again, a warm welcome for you to joining this yearly call of Geojit 23-24. Let me start by giving the synopsis of the financials declared day before yesterday, and then we can open for Q&A. In terms of the income, for the quarter 4, 24, we have done 208.56 crores, which is a 79% growth over the same period last year. And for the full year, the income was at 623.97 crores, which is 39% growth from FY23. If you look at the split of income, brokerage, that is equity and equity related, we have done 117.67 crores in quarter 4, which is an 89% growth over the same period last year. And for the full year, it is 375.42 crores, which is a 33% growth from FY23. Financial product income, the fourth quarter is normally the best quarter for this division. In the fourth quarter, we did 64.06 crores, which is 94% higher than the previous year. And for the full year, it stands at 151.64 crores, which is a 54% growth compared to FY23. In mutual fund, over the year, mutual fund income has grown 17% to 83.43 crores, and insurance has grown 176% compared to the previous year, 66.16 crores. Software income remains subdued. For the full year, we have declared 8.82 crores, which is down by 16% compared to FY23. Other operational income for the year stands at 78.25 crores, which is a 64% increase from FY23. In terms of expenses, total expense for the quarter was 142.18 crores, which is a 62% increase from same quarter previous year. And for the full year, 432 crores, which is a 31% increase from FY23. Split of expenses, employee cost 220.78 crores. For the full year, 38% increase from FY23. Fees and commission expenses directly related to the business, 86.39 crores, 41% increase. Others, 96 crores, which is a 23% increase. That is as far as the figures are concerned. As envisaged some years before, we have reduced the dependence on the brokerage business. The brokerage income is 45% of the total revenue compared to 58% in FY20. Another highlight was the distribution income crossed 150 crores, stands at 152 crores now. Mutual fund AUM of 12,200 crores end of March 24 and a PMS AUM of 914 crores. I hope all of you have gone through the shareholders presentation which we have uploaded. If there are questions, we are now ready to take them. Operator, over to you for Q&A.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask question may press star and 1 on the touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, wait for the moment while the question queue assembles. First question is from the line of Darshil Pandya from Fintus Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
And congratulations on this great set of numbers. Sir, two things I want to ask you. One is on the press release that the company has mentioned. The board has approved an investment of up to $1 million to form an entity in Dubai. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So just wanted some clarity on this. What are the plans going ahead?
Sadish, I will take this question. I'm CJ George here. For the last 25 years, close to 25 years, we have been working in the local market in UAE for the retail customers, and that company is doing well. DIFC is a platform where high net worth and ultra high net worth customers are serviced, and that requires that a relationship requires significantly different quality of products and perhaps complex structures, etc. So since we started taking initiative to grow our wealth management business, the integral part of the wealth management business is to have a setup in UAE DIFC. Using that platform, we will be able to service ultra HNIs and HNIs. Today, a large number of our own clients in the Middle East, they are also clients of other entities in DIFC. In order to complete the bouquet of products, we have come to a stage when we have to start this, and we are of the view that this is the right time to go forward and start an operation in DIFC. This is the background.
Okay. And when you say products, what does that include, like AIF, or what exactly?
This will be products, global products, structured notes, bonds, leverage products, all that we are unable to do today in the local domestic market in Dubai. Those products will be made available to a large number of our own customers as well as new customers whom we could acquire there.
Okay. And sir, anything on the software income? We are seeing a subdued demand over there. What is the management thinking about it, and how we will take it forward?
See, at the moment, we do not have an aggressive business plan on the software business, but over a period of next 1 year to 18 months, we will think about growing that business. We haven't done. It is largely servicing in-house operations.
Got it. Okay, I'll join back in the queue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask question. The next question is from the line of Mr. George, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi. Good morning, sir. Congrats for the great set of results. I'm a question regarding previously there was some disclosure regarding the appointment of CEOs for private wealth and PMS. Does the company intend to significantly expand this portfolio?
Sorry, Sadish, what was the question? The question was not very clear.
The question is that we have given press release on appointment of CEOs for private wealth and PMS.
Yes.
What is our outlook?
Okay, good question. We have, over a period of time, identified the importance of scaling up private wealth business domestically for Indian clients. Large number of our own clients over a period of time have created wealth significantly, and outside our client universe also, the rate of growth of wealthy individuals, ultra high net worth individuals in India, as all of us are aware, that number is going up. So it is a market which is to be serviced by our own set of people. So we have decided that we will go ahead and aggressively place our position in the private wealth business in the country. So that is why we started hiring the team. We started hiring a CEO. We were also not very aggressive in terms of our portfolio management business. We decided that we cannot wait any longer. We wish to go aggressive on that business too. So these are the two business lines we would like to aggressively pursue going forward. This is in line with, the rate of growth of high net worth individuals in India. So this is a market which we cannot ignore, and our own clients have become high net worth and ultra high net worth over a period of time. So this is an organic attempt to grow the business. Thank you.
Okay, one more question regarding the insurance premium side. Could you please provide the total insurance premium collected during the year and what will be the outlook for the next year?
For 23-24, we have totally collected 100 crores of premium, which is compared to 76 crores for the previous financial year, which includes, of course, 4 crores of general and health insurance. There is still a lot of growth left in this business, and we are hoping that 25 also should be good for insurance without giving any estimates. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's all from my end.
Thank you. Next question is from the line of Praveen Gamle from Anaya Research. Please go ahead.
Okay, congrats on the great set of numbers, sir. I have two questions to ask. One is there's a significant growth we can see in the Geojit PMS AUM. I wanted to understand what synergies have worked very good and what kind of a growth is, because we have seen almost from 450 crores, we have jumped to 914 crores. So going forward in the next 2-3 years, what is your predictions in terms of what kind of a growth rates that you could expect in the AUM? Second part is I would like to understand more in terms of your Gulf regions. What are the synergies that you are seeing? What kind of interest that you are looking at, and how significant this portion can become in fact. Thank you very much.
So I will answer on the PMS business, and Mr. George can take up the Gulf business, though maybe again replying what he had replied in the first question. In terms of PMS, like Mr. George said, we have not been aggressive in the earlier years in selling our PMS, and now we have decided to be an aggressive player in that business. We have grown from 450 crores in FY23 to 914 crores. And we have invested hugely in that business in terms of manpower cost. We are in line to start division in terms of managing the PMS, in terms of fund manager. We are expanding that team to a larger base so that we can have many more schemes to cater to our clients' needs. So it is an aggressive focus area for us in this year also. Like I said again, we don't give any numbers for the future, but we will definitely see an aggressive push for PMS business this year also. Mr. George can answer the Gulf side.
Yes, thank you, Sadish. Our plan is, as I told you earlier, although we have a significant presence in Middle East through our joint ventures in UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, etc., these businesses were largely, servicing retail and NRI clients. Now a time has come, we are of the view that our clients' demand for products that are suitable for their risk appetite has gone up. They have become, retail clients became HNAs became ultra high net worth. So that particular, and if you look at Dubai as as a city. Over a period of last 4 or 5 years, there was a significant migration of high net worth and ultra high net worth individuals. So this is a segment where we couldn't, resist from operating. So in the past, we have been thinking of, and then we couldn't start this business in the DIFC. Currently, with the DIFC plan, along with IFSC new changes in the regulation, we have already a presence in IFSC. So through these linkages, we are of the view that we can service the high net worth, ultra high net worth investors outside India, and with the PMS and private wealth business growing for us in India, we will be basically completing the bouquet of products for the life cycle requirements for HNIs and ultra high net worth clients. Thank you.
Sir, one follow-up on the same, sir. Apart from the Gulf region, are there any other countries on the cards where you would like to explore? Thank you.
See, we are a company looking for opportunities wherever we could identify significant NRI population. If the local, regulations permit. So we are on the lookout for geographies where regulations are permitting us to operate without much complexities. So we will come back and announce at the appropriate time. Thank you for the question.
Thank you, sir. All the best.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Tushar Sarda from Athena Investment. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity and congratulations on a very good set of numbers. I haven't tracked Geojit before, so if you can explain, as to what where the growth will come from. You already mentioned that you're reducing focus on brokerage. But which segment will drive the growth? Will it be mutual fund? Will it be insurance? Will it be PMS? And in what order?
I will come in, Sadesh, to intervene and tell you that our focus, we did not make it appropriately perhaps. We are not reducing our focus on brokerage, but we are significantly increasing our focus on non-brokerage business lines, like distribution of mutual fund, distribution of insurance, private wealth business, PMS business, etc. So that is why, the brokerage income is today only 45% of the total income. So without losing any focus, we wish to build the best possible trading platform, investment platform in Geojit, and that will service our customers. So technology will be a great service provider for our clients, and there will be no kind of compromise on the focus on brokerage business. But having said, our aggressive focus will be on other businesses so that we could also manage eventually the cyclical kind of movement and behavior of the markets and our revenues. So this was the whole idea.
Okay. And on mutual fund, if I see, markets have done well, but your AUM growth has not been much. So is it that we have much more of debt AUM than equity AUM?
Sadesh, you might give the numbers.
So, in terms of mutual fund growth, I think we are at par with the industry. The industry equity AUM grew 48% FY24 over FY23. We have grown 46%. Our 95% plus of our portfolio is only into equities.
Is only into equities. Okay.
So I just said that the industry growth.
Income has grown only 17% in mutual fund distribution for the year.
Yeah. But the AUM growth is 46%. The income growth is depending upon the commission rates we receive from the mutual fund.
Okay. And how much of this is trail and how much of this is new distribution?
We are only at trail. Maybe I didn't understand the question. Now mutual fund basis only on trail income.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Before we take the next question, a reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. The next question is from the line of S.M. Kumar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Congratulations for a great set of numbers. Just I could likely to know about, do you have any plan in future inorganic acquisition? And second question regarding how much cash available in our book. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
The question number one with regard to inorganic acquisition is an opportunity we will explore as and when we see opportunities that are aligning with our culture, as well as the particularly on the compliance culture, etc. So when we see such an opportunity, we will certainly explore. And with regard to cash in hand at the moment, we have utilized almost full amount of our cash in margin trading book. So we do not have at the moment free cash flows to look at cash investment in acquisitions. But if there are opportunities, we have options to manage that.
I think the question was what is the cash in the group, which has been used. CFO can reply.
This is Mini Nair, CFO. On the group basis, the cash available is 750 crores. But as MD said, majority of that is used for MTF book, lending MTF, and another major portion is used for the working capital requirements on a regular basis.
Thank you. Excellent.
But having said this, our interest income has gone up to around 110 crores, last year.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. The next question is from the line of Chandra Bhatia from CS Fund Investment Management. Please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone, and many congratulations for the great set of numbers. So my first question is, what is the yield on PMS and what is the yield on mutual fund side?
Yield on mutual fund is 0.8 and on PMS it varies around, we estimate around 2.2, 2.4%. You understand PMS is you have performance fee as well as a fixed fee. Average it's around 2.2 to 2.4.
Okay, sir. And what is the size of AUM of PMS is from the performance fee side, and what is purely on the percentage side basis or AUM basis?
I will try to get that. I don't have it right now. I don't have it right now for 24. But if you have some other question, you can go with the other question. By that time, I'll get this.
Yes, sir. I have one more question about the other operational income, which is 24 crore. So can you give me a little more color on this, from where this other operational income is coming?
CFO.
Okay. I will give other operational income. So it is interest on loans is 1.46 crores.
54 crores FD interest.
54 crores is FD interest. And the PMS is 18.57 crores and other operating income of 1.65 crores. So largely it is coming from FD interest. So
15% PMS income.
And 18.57 PMS income. So interest income is largely 54, 55 crores. 18.5 is PMS. That is a major portion.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. So, thank you so much. And,
PMS, the fixed after the 18.5 crores. Oh, no. Okay, I'll get the details. Please, out of 18.5, what is the fixed? Okay. Performance fees is 5.22 out of 18.5 crores.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. This is all from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question.
If there are no questions, we can conclude.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. C.J. George for closing comments.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for participating in this investor call. If anybody has any more inquiries, please feel free to contact us. We will be very happy to help you and give you the information. We have uploaded the investor presentation also. Please go through that. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. On behalf of Geojit Financial Services, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.